The verses delve into the concept of gross bodies, which come in four varieties and can be considered either collectively, like a forest or a reservoir, or individually, like separate trees or water quantities. When consciousness is associated with all gross bodies collectively, it is known as Vaisvanara and Virat, reflecting its universal presence and diverse manifestations across all bodies. This collective body formed from food is referred to as the alimentary sheath, called Annamaya Kosha, and is identified with the waking state due to its engagement with the physical world. Similarly, the individual consciousness enters each gross body, maintaining its connection with the subtle body is called Visna. Uh, like the collective, the individual body is also termed the alimentary sheath, highlighting its origin from food, and it too operates in the waking state, experiencing the tangible aspects of existence. Visva and Vaisvanara, representing individual and collective consciousness, engage with the physical world through the five senses: sound, touch, color, taste, and smell, perceived via the sense organs, each governed by different presiding deities. Additionally, they interact with the world through the five organs of action: speech, acceptance, walking, excretion, and enjoyment, also controlled by specific deities. The inner workings of the mind, intellect, egoism, and memory, influenced by the moon, Brahma, Shiva, and Vishnu, facilitate experiences of uncertainty, determination, personality, and remembrance. Uh, the analogy of trees to a forest or water quantities to a lake illustrates the unity between individual and collective gross bodies, as well as between Visva and Vaisvara. This unity underscores that despite the multiplicity of experiences and functions, there is an underlying oneness in the manifestation of the universe from the five compounded elements. In this exploration, we've journeyed through the Vedantic concepts of gross bodies and consciousness, unveiling the intricate dance between the universal and the individual embodied by Vaisvanara and Visva. These entities manifest through the Annamaya Kosha, or alimentary sheath, engaging with the waking world through senses and actions linked to cosmic deities, revealing a profound interconnectedness within the physical realm. Visva and Vaisvanara's engagement with life through senses and actions guided by divine forces highlights a complex yet harmonious interaction between the self and the universe. The vivid analogy of a forest to its trees or a lake to its waters beautifully illustrates the unity between the individual and collective aspects of existence, reminding us of the cohesive oneness that underlies the diverse manifestation